Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V2020 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera to open it, and for now we are in standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by using this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's move to the left corner. When we pick this one, we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we can find the mirror image option, so by using the button from the right we can turn on and turn off the camera mirror effect. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.